are nature's master weavers. These larvae of the silk moth are responsible for one of the world's most luxurious natural fibers, silk. Their life cycle is short, yet incredibly productive. Before transforming, a silkworm spins a protective cocoon around itself. This cocoon is made from a single, continuous thread of raw silk. It's an engineering marvel created by a tiny creature. Prepare to be amazed by the sheer scale of this natural production. Did you know that a single silkworm cocoon can yield a silk thread up to 900 meters long? That's nearly the length of 9 football fields, end to end. Harvesting this thread is a delicate process. The cocoons are typically heated to kill the pupa inside and loosen the sericulture, the gum that holds the thread together. Workers then carefully find the end of the thread and unwind it. Multiple threads are combined to create a single strand strong enough for weaving. This labor-intensive process is part of what makes silk so valuable. Silkworms have been domesticated for thousands of years, primarily for silk production. They are now entirely dependent on humans for survival, unable to live in the wild. Their diet is almost exclusively mulberry leaves. These small creatures hold a significant place in history and global trade. The ancient Silk Road was named after the precious cargo transported along its routes. The next time you see a beautiful silk garment, remember the incredible journey it took. It all began with a tiny silkworm and its ability to spin a thread almost a kilometer long. It's a true testament to the wonders